Yo, babe. So here's a engine coolant temperature sensor with two pin connector. And what we want to check now is to measure the resistance and confirm if this sensor is actually working or not. And there are numerous ways to do this. Now you measure the temperature at different degrees. So the higher the temperature, the lower the resistance. That is, once the temperature increases, the resistance reduces. So I'm gonna use a typical example by first measuring the sensor the way it is. Hold this like this with my multimeter. So what I'm going to do is to turn my multimeter into a resistance in ohms, and I'm using 60k ohms as my initial. So what I'm going to do right now is to check the resistance as it stands. So the temperature of this sensor is around 5 to 30 degrees Celsius, but I'm going to place the same sensor on this steaming engine to confirm and make the temperature go higher. So as the temperature is going up, the resistance is reducing. So you can see the resistance is dropping as the temperature is going up, and this is to confirm that the engine coolant temperature sensor itself is good at high temperature. Don't forget that this vehicle is steaming, so we're generating enough heat from the engine to make the sensor hot. This is a simple and brief way to test your engine coolant temperature sensor without getting all the required apparatus. Still dropping.